Tell me something about yourself, Lakshit.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Lakshit Chabisa. I belong from Udaipur, and I'm doing currently my engineering from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies. I chose engineering because I always felt like I want to do something which solves a problem or which enhances people's life by where I can do something as an input. So, and I always, from my childhood, I always fond of certain tech. So I chose computer science engineering. I like to do painting. I'm do skating also, and I'm when I was free in my spare time, I used to do gardening also. I love to watch movies as well, and these are my hobbies. And I also, if I got time, I read books, some books as well. So I did my schooling from RBSC, and in my 10th grade I got 70%, and in 12th and 75 percentage, and in my last semester I got 9.9 SGPA.
9.9 SGPA मतलब आप you are among the toppers.
Sir, I don't think so, because I think everybody got 9.9 and some people also got 10 also.
Because of that COVID benefits, right?
Yes,
you all
sir.
have got.
Yes, sir.
The exam which you have given in that exams, what percentage you have got? For example, I think you have already given first semester.
Yes, sir.
What was your SGPA in first semester?
So my SGPA was 7.
That is the real one. So what is the aggregate?
So I haven't figured it out, but I think it is around 8.5.
This is the right about your graduations.
Yes, sir.
So Lakshit, you belong to which place? You are from Udaipur?
Yes, sir. I'm from Udaipur, and there is a village called Badi. It is above. It is approximate 5 to 6 kilometers away from Fateh Sagar.
Okay. For example, somebody will give you a chance. The chairman of Gitanjali Group will come at a college at one day, and they will tell to you, Lakshit, come, and we will make you the principal for Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies for a week.
Okay.
In that case, in that week, what improvement and what development you will do in the institute, which you feel it is needed and it is not available today? 3 to 4.
Sir, I think the existing facilities also very good, but if I get a chance to evolve something or develop something, I would like to manage the system that students are who not regularly come to college, or they are not very aware about their studies, where they are failing, and I would do something about them also, and the system where lots of so the system where lots and lots of education means I think I've thought about it, and I thought that there should be some activities like when student can show their talent thing. Just, sir, I'm into sports, I like skating, and I'm some kind of football also, so they should organize something that student can show their extracurricular also. There is some event.
Gitanjali is not organizing?
No, sir, they're organizing, but I
you want this
don't.
all activity in more in numbers, right?
Yes, sir. No, they organized it, but I think because of the pandemic,
something is missing.
Yes, sir. So they're not all the sports, because they're only the main sports which everybody likes, everybody knows.
Okay.
They're missing out on something, I think.
Okay, one or two more suggestions.
Sir, two more, or that student that I feel it that faculties and overall the environment should be like this, that every the student should get prepared from the first year also, first year, for their placements. Not I'm not telling like this that I'm not going there, but
So
I think that
we are preparing the guys from first year.
no,
How student will get the idea about, but it's a good suggestions.
I
Definitely,
think that
we'll look into it.
student, the faculty should be more interactive from the first year about the placements. It's not about the
Okay.
placement. Faculty meet the student and they talk about it, but
Or
the
do you feel any first year student who is coming to colleges and starting their college journey, they are very much concerned about the job and the placement in the first year
no,
itself?
sir. I I don't think so. They are, because they are the freshers and they are uh, they are the fond of they see college first time and they are new to that. But I think it should little they should aware about they should be aware about this on their individual level also.
Okay, what kind of platform you use for the programming and these kind of coding skills, Lakshit?
Sir, I use VS Code and PyCharm also.
Okay. And how you rate yourself in the field of coding of yours in your class out of 100 student, where you rate
Yes, sir.
yourself?
Sir, I think I stand between the top 20 students. I think I am in the 20
Okay. In your
because
opinion, who is that number one in coding in your class?
in class I don't I'm not sure, but I know some students that has a good coding background like Harsh Soni. I
Okay.
know about him that he have done coding since school. So I know he's a good programmer, and yeah, the few also like Manan, if you
So
know.
many of the students have they could not develop the coding skills, whether they are from the computer science. What is the reason behind it? They don't have the interest, or they don't like these kind of coding stuff.
So I think they are not teaching it from right person, or they are not know how to learn coding. So maybe they
Is there anything in coding which nobody can learn, that some specific capability is needed for anyone to
yes,
get
sir.
code and to do code?
Sir, first problem solving skills are very required, because in programming you have to solve a given problem by your coding skills, and secondly the analytical skills, so you can do the code more efficiently, and you have the mathematical skills also, then there will be more good for you.
Okay, Lakshit, nice talking to you, right? So over to Arun Singhal sir.
तो लक्षित ये बताओ आप you are from computer science background, right? So what kind of job do you want to
Yes,
what do
sir.
you want to become when you pass out of the university?
Sir, I want to do a programming job in
Hmm.
Python. I'm currently learning Python and data structure also. So I'm looking for a job in Python, but also I'm right now doing digital marketing as well. So
Hmm.
I've ran few campaigns also in digital marketing.
Hmm.
I've learned it. So I think I'm learning now both, and I think I can make a better career in digital marketing. So I'm learning Python now, but I think
So
I'm stuck in
so
between. So what should I try? So
okay, so
currently
you
I'm
can
doing Python.
so you want to become
Sorry?
either a digital marketeer or programmer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, which is your first choice?
So my first choice is Python programming.
Programming. Okay,
I want to do
so
something.
so what do you want to become a programmer? There are different kinds of programming. What are the different kinds of programmers?
What are the different kinds of programmers? So,
Hmm.
sir, there are various kinds. The ones who creates the web applications,
Hmm.
the ones who create games, and
Right,
the other, the artificial intelligence, the backend,
right,
the backend
right.
programmers, which create the
Which
structure of a programming, and the front end which provides a user interface.
right. And what else? Which is the most demand? Which kind of programmer is in most demand?
Software developer, sir.
Yeah, but software developer again is a programmer, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is a front end, there's a back end, there is a web developer. So which kind is? Have you heard of full stack developer?
Yes, sir.
So is that's in the most demand. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
what is the job of a full stack developer?
So full stack developer works on both the front end and back end. He commands the all over project.
Right. And what should a what should a full stack developer know?
So he needs to know the back end as well as the front end, and for that he should know the very basic and very essential languages for it. I think that's Python,
Uh-huh.
the frameworks of it, and for front end he should know HTML, CSS. It's very basic, but they're very frameworks of it, like Django for create the webs, and
So
the
how good
Photoshop and
how
sorry,
good
sir?
are you in front end and back end coding?
Sir, I did coding in Python and HTML, CSS, and I created some projects, but I think I'm not there where I should be.
Where are
I'm
you?
more.
On a scale
uh,
of 0 to 10, where are you now?
So I think I'm on 6 to 7.
6 to
I
7.
need to
And
work on it more.
so what do you need to do to become 8 or 9?
Sir, I need to practice more, and
Where will you practice more?
I use a platform called Solo Learn,
Hmm. Okay.
where there I can see lots of projects and I can get the ideas about it, and I can learn them from them also.
Right.
So I saw some projects there and I've tried it myself also.
Okay. Right. So other than coding, what are the other important knowledge or what are important skills a full stack developer should have?
Sir, he should have the graphic design is now very trending, and cause the user interface is the most important thing in a full stack. Cause if a user comes to an interface, if it
Hmm.
doesn't familiar to him, he would leave. So I think the graphic designing is very important part of it.
And how
And
good
for
are you
that
in
one
graphic
needs.
desiging?
Sorry, sir.
Have you done anything in graphic designing?
Sir, I've tried it, but I need to do more on it. I've
More work.
tried little about it,
Okay.
and for
So
that,
other than graphic designing and coding, what are the other important things for a full stack developer?
so he needs to uh, the important. So he needs to know about the marketing, like the SEO and stuff.
Okay.
How to market a website, or how the website gonna reach people.
Is that a full stack developer's job?
Yes, I think so.
Mhm. And what will the digital marketers do?
So they also do that, but I think
So they will
that
digital marketers will start coding, right?
no, sir.
Okay, no, full stack developer doesn't do SEO optimization. That's a
Okay, sir.
digital marketer's job. What else other than are there any other important skills that full stack developer should have?
So they design the all over product, and
So
they do
how do they
testing.
design? How can they design?
Sir,
They need to learn designing, right?
yes, sir.
So the
It can.
full stack developer needs to know how to design the solution,
Yes, sir.
then develop the solution. So any
Yes.
solution, a customer has a problem, you are developing a technology solution. The first one is to do design and then do the development. So a full stack developer should also know how to design the solution.
Yes, sir.
Have you done anything in designing the solution?
Sir, I've tried CSS.
No. Have you learned anything? Have you learned how to design solutions, technology
No, sir.
solutions?
I once created a interface in Photoshop, but I didn't code in it. So
Okay.
I've tried once.
Okay. All right. All right, Lakshit. Good talking.